house, you have a bit different of a system going on. You're using more natural gas because you're going to be heating more. But either way, HVAC is a large component of your energy. And so when you make choices, I'd love to hear from Brian first about some systems that you see being used, maybe that are not purpose-built for cultivation and that are not necessarily feasible for these types of industrial processes.
I understand people have budgets, right? We're talking about very sophisticated equipment in this presentation, equipment that's purpose-built or designed for the application. And because of it, it can get rather expensive. But if you don't have the capital budget for it, then you're going to look for other alternatives. But they're not going to be as good, okay? Using equipment that's made for human comfort doesn't really work all that well in an environment where you're trying to dehumidify. So certainly swamp coolers only have a certain area of the country that they work in. Residential systems are not made for this. But understand, you know, you only have so much money to spend on your room. You should realize, though, that when you're going with these systems that were built for comfort cooling, you may not get the yield you hope for. You may not get the quality you hope for. And you need to bring that into your business model to make sure that you can still make money. You're going to have to figure out what the eventual price will be in your marketplace when a lot of growers enter the market, and see if you can still turn a profit using this equipment and the effect it might have on yield or quality.